Resibo. Let's go, let's go. Flat lang ako today. Summer feels na ngayon, so naka-chinelas lang. And then, okay, let's go guys! Hindi kayo kabantay ka itong giingan ni anong Ma'am. Also the caramel selection. So many ice cream to choose from. But I'll just get this. Asa man? Asa na? Nagtanong kong nabaslik atong non-alcoholic na ayun guys, may hinahanap si David na drink. Ano, bakit yan? Ganun ka naman. Unsay na ni?
Crafted siya na beer.
So, unsay
The way siya
sabi?
yun is
Ang dami kasing option dito guys. Tingnan nyo, ayan, ang daming option nila. Pero anyways, happy na ako kasi nakita ko yung ice cream na gusto namin nila. O yan na. Ito yung basket natin, puno na. Bayad na ta? Babayad na kami guys. Hi guys! Nasa bahay na kami. I just wanted to quickly show you kung ano yung mga nabili namin. And I'm gonna tell you how much we spent for this particular grocery. So let's go! Ayan, ito yung ating mga nabili today. Right, let's start with this big one. For fruits, bumili kami ng grapes. Sa Sainsbury kasi medyo mas mahal siya compared to Lidl. Pero okay naman din yung quality ng fruits nila. Blueberry, mango, perfect to i-partner sa aming bagoong. Watermelon, cookie ni Light, favorite niya to. Oreo, sugar, kasi wala na kaming sugar. Bumili din kami ng Yakult. Black peppercorns, Denzel yung hand wash nila, 50p. Go-to namin na bread from Sainsbury's yung croissant nila. So, bumili lang ako ng chicken thigh fillet. Pork ribs, perfect for like sabaw kasi may buto siya, so mas masarap. And bumili ako ng chicken liver, guys. I've been planning to buy one kasi gusto ko magluto ng igado. Yung sobra is pwede nating gawing adobo. Squash, kasi I was planning to make pinakbet. Bumili kaming carrots kasi also this week I'm gonna cook ang aming lumpia kasi meron kaming frozen na minced beef sa fridge. And bumili si David ng kanyang drinks. Bumili din kami ng Vita Coco, guys. Sobrang mahal ng coconut milk dito, kaya hindi kami palaging bumibili. Pero favorite din kasi to namin. This is probably from the Philippines. Let's see. Produced in the Philippines, guys. Yung apat na ganito is like 350. So, mahal. Bumili kami ng juice. Ayan, ito. Na-try na namin to dati, I think. Orange and mango juice. Masarap. 1 kilo of not garlic, onion. Kasi kapag walang ulam or tinatamad magluto, yung favorite ko is yung tuna chunks in sunflower oil and then yung Spam. First time kong bumili nito, guys. Ang bango niya, berry na in-wash scent booster. Sobrang bango kasi ang plan ko dito is ilalagay ko siya kapag nag-wash ako ng bed sheets para mabango yung mga bed sheets namin. Meron naman kaming fabric softener pero hindi siya ganun naglalast yung amoy niya. So this would be perfect para masarap matulog. Okay, next bag is na-miss kong kumain nito, yung prawn cracker. So bumili akong isa. Bumili din kami ng parang cheese curls nila. And nakita niyo ito kanina, yung Haagen-Dazs na fruit collection na mini. So, iba-iba siya. May mango and raspberry, summer berries and cream, strawberries and cream, and blueberries and cream. Ayan, perfect for summer. And tsaka hindi siya masyadong madami. So, 1 serving lang siya, which is great. And matagal na din namin hindi nabili yung aming favorite na yogurt. And itong sa last bag is bumili kami ng paper towel, kitchen towel, kasi konti lang. Nilahan namin ng donut sila kasi mamaya after school, gutom yun. Extra cookies, spinach, corn cobs, tomato, garlic, lemons. Favorite ni Light, beans. And last but not least is ang ating talong. So, yun lang guys ang lahat ng mga nabili namin today. And the price reveal. Wait, kunin ko yung resibo. So, ang nagastos natin today guys is 83 pounds and 65 cents. Sobrang haba ng resibo. Here you go. We're here in IKEA again. So, galing kami sa appointment ni Light. And now, we're here sa IKEA kasi bibili ako ng another pair of curtains para ilagay dun sa bedroom namin. Kasi nagustuhan ko yung binili ko na curtain last week. So now, I'm gonna buy another pair. It's so hot outside. Like it's, 30 degrees? 30 degrees outside. Kaya masarap kumain ng ice cream. Let's eat ice cream.
You said this is the ice cream?
Look at this lamp. So cute. Lamp. This one, look, is this a lamp? This is new. But board ba? Look at this one, Dad. Let's type this in your room. Yeah, look. You can put your name on. Also, there's an owl lamp. This room is very cozy. Look at all, there's a baby bed. It's a cot. Nervy. 65. No. Baby. Yeah, because it's a chair. It's not a rocking chair. pag mag-organize na kami sa kitchen, maybe I'll get something like this para makasave ng space. Sa gilid ng sofa.
Pretend popcorn.
This one's good para may malagyan ng food and drinks dyan. You like this sofa? Like, hello guys, we're back at home, and before to ilagay ni David sa wall, I just wanted to share with you ano yung nabili namin kanina sa IKEA. So first is bumili kami ng salamin. Hindi siya whole salamin, yung parang squares lang siya na pwede mo siyang i-customize. So madami ako nakitang inspo online. So bumili ako ng 3 packs of this mirror called Bloodlon. So 1 pack has 4 mirrors. Bumili kaming 3, and ang area kung saan namin siya ilalagay is there. Kapag, di ba, pag may mirror, parang lumalaki ang space. So, yun ang intention namin. At saka, extra mirror na din siya. Hindi namin plan to, but then because mura lang siya, 4 pounds lang, bumili lang kami ng extra lamp. Gusto namin maglagay ng mga lamps around the space kasi nakakadagdag siya ng vibes, cozy vibe. Then, yung bulb is also, it's separate. So, ito is 3 pounds, ito is 4 pounds. As I mentioned, dahil isang pair lang yung nabili namin last time, bumili ako ng another pair for the bedroom. I find that these curtains help a lot. Nakaka-block siya ng light. Lumalayo siya kapag nagdodrill si David. Light, are you okay? Yeah? You say hi to the vlog. May sipon kasi siya guys, saka may ubo siya. Aww. Do you want a pillow? There you go. Is that better? Gawa na lang muna tayo ng kape guys kasi para may energy tayong gawin yung mga kailangan natin gawin today. Initin na rin tong sobrang donuts namin kahapon kasi sayang naman. Hindi pa din na-heal yung aking singaw kaya medyo mahirap kumain at magsalita pero life must go on. Mamaya pala guys, ang ulam natin ay lumpia. So, dinofrost ko na yung minced beef sa freezer and then yung wrapper. Lagay ko lang sila dito sa labas ng fridge para completely mag-defrost sila. It's our favorite oat milk. Light, do you want to eat donut? Ito yung sugar ring donuts ng Sainsbury. Okay lang naman. Pwede na rin siya. Pang partner ng kape. Are you sure you don't want light? Hi guys, I'm in the kitchen now and I'm ready to cook dinner, which is lumpia. So here's the setup. This is our lumpia mix. This is minced beef, with the spices and carrots. We have our lumpia wrapper, egg to close the wrapper properly. And this will be my station. I'm watching a vlog. Wash hands. Hi guys, I'm done cooking the lumpia. Madaming sobra, so I'm just going to freeze the remaining lumpia. Pero wrap na sila. And then these are the cooked lumpia. Ayan. I have not tasted it, so hopefully it's good. Yung recipe niyan, sinunod ko lang sa TikTok. And then, I was actually watching yung Kumusta, yung sina Jody Santa Maria sa Viki. It's quite nice promoting Filipino food in other culture, particularly sa Korea. I'm watching like episode 2 or 3 while I was preparing the lumpia. I'm just gonna cook noodles para hindi masyadong dry yung aming kakainin. Ang sakit pa din ng ano ko guys. I might put some medicine para hindi ako mahirapan magsalita. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Hi guys! I'm here sa therapy clinic and I've done my 5th underarm laser session. Hindi talaga tumutubo. Like, sobrang konti na lang ng mga tumutubong buhok, which I'm really happy about. So, I still have 5 more to go kasi 10 sessions yung nabook ko. And so, ang plans natin today is after neto, pupunta kami ni David maybe sa Uniqlo kasi summer, sobrang init. And I'm looking to find more sleeveless na clothes. This top I'm wearing now is actually from Uniqlo as well. Nabili ko to mga 2 years ago. Ito yung nabili ko sa Skechers when I was looking for a sandal for my citizenship ceremony. So, sobrang okay niya actually. This is our fit for today, by the way. This skirt is from Zara. And let's go, let's go. Going to Uniqlo para maghanap ng sleeveless. Yung nabili ni David na shorts from Primark is actually quite nice. Nagustuhan niya yung shorts. Magkano bili mo doon? 10 pounds. Sobrang init guys. Parang 30 degrees ata today. Naglalakad lang kami dito from the clinic. Ito, Oxford Street na to dito guys. I really want to buy iced coffee. Meron akong free Starbucks coffee today kasi yung points ko is 500 na. So, kapag 500 na yung points mo, pwede ka nang kumuha ng 1 free drink. So, maghahanap kami ng Starbucks mamaya and then we can have some iced coffee kasi sobrang init. And guys, nakakita kami ng Starbucks. I'm claiming my free drink today. 30 degrees. Init. Ito guys, maganda na siya na color pang summer. I like this one. Ang pink, guys. So cute. Dami silang yung mga meron ng bra sa loob. So, which is very convenient for summer. Cute yung mga t-shirt nila here for kids. How much is it? $9. So, baba na kami guys. Punta kami sa men's section kasi may hahanapin kami na t-shirt ni David. Yung nabili namin last time na maganda yung quality at hindi masyadong mahal. Let's go! Bayad na tayo guys. Here. Ano yung ano mo? Dito kami ngayon guys sa TK Maxx. Just checking out their home section. Ayan. Cute ilang mga ano. Malaking bath rug. Which is very comfy sa paa. Mga mirror. Organizers. Yun na sila yung mga pillow. Ang cute na picture frames. Mga wood. So cute. Cute kay nga lamp gabi. Ay, marami na siya yung ano, saksakanan. Wait. Oh, that. Oh, David. Silang white. I like this one's so pretty. Pero ang bigat guys. Ito ng mga base. Liit na ba? Kids to. Ito palit. Hello guys, nasa bahay na kami and I just wanted to quickly show you kung ano yung mga nabili namin kanina. So let's do a mini Uniqlo and IKEA haul. Tcharan! Konti lang naman ang binili namin guys. First is yung sa akin. Bili ako ng another version. Pero ito naman siya. Iba naman yung style niya. Ayan, simple lang siya. Gusto ko yung pagka-blue niya. Very perfect for summer. And then, of course, as someone who likes pink, I also got another pink version. Ito, iba yung style niya sa likod. Lately, I've been buying yung mga good quality, practical clothes para maulit pa siya, magamit pa siya. Katulad nito, after a few years, okay pa yung quality. And then, of course, binilhan ko din sila ng damit, shorts for life. Perfect kasi yung material niya is very light and comfortable. Nag-size down lang ako kay Light because wala kasi silang 4 to 5. After 3 to 4, 5 to 6 na. Kasi yung 5 to 6, sobrang laki kay Light. I got him also a yellow version. And then, si David, binilhan ko siya ng isang t-shirt. Simple lang yung t-shirt. Ayan. This one is, ano bang color ito? Parang dark blue, navy blue. Hindi siya black. And this is in the size extra small. Navy pala yung color niya. Bumili si David ng bagong cap. Pero ginamit na niya. So, andun. So, hindi ko na lang papakita sa inyo. Before we went to IKEA, dumaan muna kami ng TK Maxx. Kasi actually, I was hoping to find the Ted Baker na yung black nila na tote. I didn't see any Ted Baker bags. Pero guys, tingnan nyo, I found this very cute bag. It's from a brand called Charm London. On sale, original price niya is £46 and then £24.99 na lang siya. Sobrang cute niya. Like, I'm a petite person and I feel like it's perfect for me, for my size. if you wanna carry it as a sling bag, meron na din siyang kasamang sling. Yet I've been wanting to buy like a proper summer bag para makapagpahinga naman yung aking pink bag na long chomp kasi I feel like as in sobrang gamit na gamit ko siya. So at least meron na siyang friend. And now, for our IKEA haul, I'm so happy na nakakita ako ng, ano bang tawag dito? Basket. This is for our shampoo, conditioner, soap. Kasi yung amin sira na. Nabili ko yun sa Timo, so medyo hindi maganda yung quality niya. This one looks a lot more sturdy. Next naman namin na binili is itong mga organizers. Ayan sila. This is called Stook. May zipper din to, guys. Ang plano namin dito is, ito kasi sa loob ng closet namin. Itong malaki naming closet yan. Sa loob niya, nasa baba yung mga extra namin na bed sheets, mga ganon. Tapos, hindi sila masyadong na-organize kasi nasira na yung ginamit ko na organizer, which is also from Timo lang. So, hindi ako nag-expect masyado sa quality. But this one is actually pretty good. So, I'm gonna organize our closet soon. Bumili din ako netong parang plastic lang nila na bags. Pa-square din to siya. Saka meron din siyang zipper. Ang tawag is Sparkla. Meron kasi kaming mga stuff underneath the bed. Yung mga, random things that were just hiding underneath the bed. And I feel like very disorganized nila. Kaya I want to put them at least inside a bag para hindi sila makalat tingnan. And then if you wanna get something out, you just pull the plastic and then open it. Kasi may zipper nga siya. It's more organized that way. And last but not the least, bumili lang kami ng pang loob na slippers. Yeah. Same lang to, but in different sizes. So, yun lang guys, ang ating haul for today. Another thing that we bought is yung extra na squares. Kita nyo ba? Meron lang siyang isang kulang dyan because while we were trying to remove one mirror, kasi parang hindi maganda yung pagkalapat ng tape, nag-break siya. So, just gonna buy a last one for that. At least may extra mirror din dito sa sala namin. Light said that he wants to eat ice cream. Nung nagpunta nga kami ng Sainsbury, I bought some ice cream. Kahapon kinain niya yung isa. Actually, very nice yung flavor. Okay, come. Ito, kinain na niya to kahapon. Very nice. So, we still have summer berries and cream, strawberry and cream, or blueberries and cream. Which one?
This one.
Ito yung gusto ni Light na nakainin today. Summer berries. Can you hold it? You got it? Do you need to open it?
Ooh. Ma.
Let me see. Is it good?
Yeah.
Can I have some?
It's a strawberry.